and we're getting ready to go on our snowmobile adventure. Our package includes extra layers and an extra warm jacket, and it does include extra warm boots.
Ale. After we were both geared up, it was time to head out to our snowmobile. I was super excited. It was my first time and I couldn't wait. They gave us quick instructions and safety information as well as routing options based on our fuel capacity, and we were off.
We've been riding for a few hours now. The gear helps a lot. I do not feel cold at all. It started to snow a little while ago, and the trails look gorgeous. Most of the time we are on the road on our own. It feels like nobody is around. We feel completely alone. There are a few times where other people pass by on snowmobiles and we just kind of have to go on the side and let them pass. There are some people go in groups.
Yeah, but for the most part, we're pretty much alone out here. It's awesome though.
Yeah, it's a little hard to navigate. There are different trails intertwining and split in directions. So we're trying to not to go too far away from the lodge so we have the opportunity to come back in time.
Right, a lot of the signs are obviously in French, and you know, the map they gave us is like not really that helpful, so we just kind of figure it out as we go along.
So far, we love snowmobiling and we love Canada.
Absolutely.
As we were riding snowmobiles, we saw a few signs for lodging and restaurants. So it's about lunchtime and we stopped by at one of the restaurants to have a little soup, and now we're back on the road. I'm ready for a ride. We just pulled up to our lodge. We rode about for 7 hours.
7 hours on the trail.
It was a fantastic experience. The trails, I did not expect it to be this way. There are signs all over for curves and wavy roads. There are fun bumps along the way. We actually passed by signs for lodging and restaurants. And the gas stations also.
You ride all along the trail, so you can ride for hours and then you pull into a lodge, stay the night if you want to.
There is a lot of snow on the trails. That is why Quebec is one of the best places to go snowmobiling.
The fuel mileage is great. I had concerns about running out of fuel, but that wasn't an issue. We're like at half tank right now. Like Arina said,
riding 7 hours.
We've been out 7 hours. So as far as mileage go and fuel, that concern shut down. These really do a great job on fuel.
If you like this video and you want to see dog sled riding coming up tomorrow, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, bell notification, and just be out with us.
But before you be out with us, like leave a comment before you be out with us. Like you could be out, but leave a comment.